Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And by the way, if you're new to Binance, go ahead and click on the link below, either from the description or the comments. Click on it, use it to sign up or sign in, and then you're going to enjoy an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Now, going back in here in your Solana account or Solana app, tap on Receive. Now tap on Solana. Okay? Tap on it, and in here, tap on the wallet address. Tap on Copy. Now go to your Binance app. In your Binance app, just go ahead over to your wallet or assets. Okay? In here, go ahead and find funding. Now in here, just tap on Send and just tap on chain withdrawal. Now select USDT. And in here, just tap and hold or long press on this text box and paste the copied address. As you can see here, the network is auto-matched. But if it isn't auto-matched, just go ahead and tap on the drop down and select Solana. Once done, type down the amount that you wanted to transfer. And the minimum right here is 10. And the payment would be 0.6 USDT. Okay, right here. Now, once that's done, all you need to do is just tap on withdraw. And once you tap on withdraw, there'll be just a simple confirmation, just to follow the simple prompts. And once done, in no time, you'll receive the amount in your Solana account. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.